In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new product to GoDaddy website store. We'll start right from your GoDaddy dashboard. Once you're in, head to the area where you manage your site and look for the store section. This is your central hub for everything related to your online shop. Or shop. And it's where you'll set up new items for customers to browse and buy. Inside the store hub, open the products area. This page shows your existing catalog and gives you a quick overview of what's already for sale. It's also where you'll create something new, so it's a good place to keep an eye on naming, consistency, and pricing as your catalog grows. Next, select Add Product. This opens the New Product page, where you'll enter the core details customers see. Think of this page as your product's storefront. What you add here shapes how it appears in search, on category pages, and on the product detail page itself. Start by entering the product name. Keep it clear, concise, and specific. Include the primary keyword a shopper would use to find it. Avoid all caps and symbols, and aim for something descriptive yet skimmable, like a model, size, or color, if that's important. Then write the description. Lead with a short summary of what the product is and who it's for, followed by the key features and benefits. Mention materials, dimensions, what's included in the box, and any care or usage notes that help buyers feel confident. Use short paragraphs or simple sentences to make it easy to read on mobile. If your item solves a problem, say how and keep the tone helpful and accurate. Now enter the price. Use your store's currency format and be consistent with how you display decimals. If you plan to run discounts later, enter your regular price here so markdowns calculate correctly. Double-check for typos. Misplaced digits can confuse shoppers and affect sales. Add images to showcase your product. Choose clear, well-lit photos with a neutral background and include multiple angles if you have them. High-resolution, square, or near-square images tend to display best across themes. Make the first image your strongest shot because it often appears as the thumbnail in listings. When everything looks good, click Save. GoDaddy will create the product and add it to your catalog. Give it a moment to process, then review the new listing to make sure the name, description, price, and images look the way you expect. You can always come back and edit details as needed. That's it. Store, products, add product, enter the name, description, and price, add images, and save. You've just added a new product to your GoDaddy website store.